Starting out on Thingiverse, this is where we're going to download our printable files.
They don't have to say it.
I've put some text at the bottom of the screen to show the steps that you need to take to get your files extracted.
I'm aware of the danger you bring to me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And if the fall down is painful, I'm me to blame. But there's something about you, there's something. Keep pulling me to you, there's something. No good.
This step is something I always take into consideration. I don't know how large the file is, and it's almost always too large. In this case, I'm going to lower the overall size by 70% and bring it to a more manageable 30%.
A beautiful disaster. I know I've got what's coming, but I do it all.
Once you find a size you like, you can start to reposition the pieces so they don't overlap.
There's something. Keep pulling me to you. There's something. No good, but I want you. There's something. There's something about you, and I can't let go.
A useful tool while rotating the parts is to auto-flatten them. This makes sure that you have good contact between the object and the print plate.
But there's something about you, there's something about you. Keep pulling me to you, there's something to you. No good, but I want you. There's something I want. There's something about you, and I can't let go. No.
I'm going to use the low quality setting because I plan to finish the surface after. The presets are usually pretty good, but check the infill to make sure that you are not making a solid part and the build plate adhesive is set to skirt.
I'm aware of the danger you bring to me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And if the fall down is painful, I'm me to blame. But there's something about you, there's something.
Insert your micro SD card into the USB adapter and plug it into the computer.
No good, but I want.
When you hit save at the bottom right, it should save directly to the SD card.
And I can't let go.
Now you can take the SD over to the 3D printer.
A beautiful disaster. I know I've got what's coming. just to feel the thrill. There's something
There are 3 triggered stops for the X, Y, Z axis that I am pointing at.
There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go.
Navigate to Auto Home and click Enter. You can hold your finger over the power button and turn it off if it looks like anything is going to collide. Now, turn off the machine before we start leveling the table. Leveling the table is a very important step. The first layer of the print will give us the bond to the bed that we are going to need to have a good outcome. Take a regular piece of paper, and you can use this to set the correct height of the nozzle.
They don't have to say it. I already know. I've played in fire times before.
Pick a corner to start in and use the twistable adjustments under the bed.
You bring
Slide the paper under and move it around until it is just caught between the nozzle and the bed.
fall down is painful. I mean to play, but there's something about you. There's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something.
Move the head to the next corner and repeat this.
Let go. A beautiful disaster. I know I've got what's coming, but I do it all again just to feel the thrill. There's something about you. There's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you.
Once all 4 are done, it's good to go around one more time to ensure nothing has changed.
Let go. But there's something about it. There's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go. No.
navigate your screen to Preheat PLA. Pinch this part on the machine while the machine is hot and push the filament from the back to extrude the PLA. This will confirm no clogs and that the nozzle is hot enough to start printing.
I'm aware of the danger you bring to me. And if the fall down is painful, I need to play.
Now enter print from SD card. Choose the file and enter to start printing.
There's something no good, but I warn you. There's something about you, and I can't let go.
The bed will now start to heat, and we are going to cover the print plate in a thick coat of Elmer's stick glue.
A beautiful disaster. I know I've got what's coming, but I do it all again just to feel the thrill. There's something about you. There's something keep pulling to you. There's something no good, but
If you're having trouble getting the print off of the plate, water helps a lot.
and I can't let go. But there's something about it. There's something keep pulling to you. There's something to you. No good, but I want.
I would suggest checking the print after 10 minutes or once the first layer is complete. If you notice that the print is lifting or any other problems have occurred, now is a good time to stop and try again. It's better now than 3 hours in to your print. That's it. Please let me know if I missed anything important. I tried to cover this topic as thoroughly as I could. If this video helped you, that's great. And I would like to hear about it from you in the comments. Please consider subscribing to the channel and find out what I printed this plane for. Thanks so much for watching.